Hello everyone! Do you know that communication misunderstandings are caused by choosing the wrong word? This is the reason why learning about word formation processes is very important. In this video, you will learn how to use noun suffixes. Before starting, I would like to tell you that in Cambridge exams, you will be asked to do an activity based on this topic. So, don't miss any of the videos about word formation because they are going to be highly beneficial. We are ready to start in 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. What is a suffix? Good question. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters that are placed at the end of a word to create a new word. For example, transform, transformation. Did you notice? When you change a word's meaning and use from noun to verb, the stress changes. Listen, transform, transformation. If you want to learn more about changing word stress, check our series videos in the description below. In this video, I will present 4 suffixes that can be used to form nouns. This is one of the most common suffixes in English. It is used to turn verbs into nouns, such as connect, connection, decorate, decoration, expect, expectation. Word challenge! Can you think about a word which means enthusiasm for doing something? Motivation. It is attached to verb to transform nouns that refer to the action of the verb, such as amaze, amazement, disappoint, disappointment, encourage, encouragement, amuse, amusement. Word challenge! Can you think about a word which means shows, films, television, or other performances or activities that entertain people or a performance of this type? Entertainment. It is attached to some verb roots to form nouns, such as perform, performance, appear, appearance, assist, assistance. Word challenge. Can you think about a word which means lack of knowledge, understanding, or information about something? Ignorance. It is attached to some nouns to form adjectives, such as modest, modesty, cloud, cloudy, worth, worthy. Word challenge. Can you think about a word which means the process of finding information, a place, or an object, especially for the first time, or the thing that is found? Discovery. Attention! Some verbs and nouns are exactly the same. For example, comfort, designed, trade, or question. Others have different spelling, such as decide, decision. As you can see, word formation is important as it allows language learners to increase their knowledge of word classes and helps them to increase their vocabulary base. Let's recap. These are the suffixes that we have learned today: connection, decoration, expectation, motivation, amazement, disappointment, encouragement, entertainment, performance, appearance, assistance, ignorance, modesty, cloudy, worthy. Would you like to learn more about word formation processes? If you do, please let me know in the comments below. I hope these tips help. If they do, please do not forget to press the button like and subscribe to the channel. See you all in my next video about negative prefixes. Bye bye!
na na na.